Okay, continue spline menu, and we are going to explain outline. Create outline in a clone section. The clone section adds something to your spline. For example, we draw a sketch, open a spline, and for example, a text, or close a spline like this. Okay. And we have to make it editable. Going here, select the spline that you want to make outline of that. You can right click and here the create outline. When you want to create outline, deactivate the create new object first and simply click and drag. Left or right is, you can change the offset of your outline here. Don't go very far. For example, inward, as you can see, we have a self intersecting, and release your mouse, and you can and after that you cannot change anymore. And going to the move tool, and it's done. We have something right here. We can delete that point if you want. Okay, this is outline. For example, going here and make it editable. Again, right click and create outline. You can go in inside or outside. And if you create a new object, you have to select it before click and dragging. So Ctrl Z, create new object. As you can see, when I click and drag, a new object will be created here, and it's done. When you click and drag, everything is done and you can't do anything with the object. Or for example, if draw a new object, as you can see, if select that spline, right click and create outline. If the create new object is deactivated when we click and drag, it automatically close the open curve for us. But when you click a new object and click and drag and then release, as you can see, it's separate two objects and they are separate from each other. They are not connecting. Okay. And for example, that text, you can click and drag to outside it. I prefer to this one. For example, first you have to select your comment again to bring it sitting. Deactivated the create object new and click and drag. I want it for extrusion. For example, you can give it to the extrude like this for outline. Okay, this is outline comment.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.